Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, and today we're bringing you an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Boost your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.72. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.23%. This means that on average, the stock has delivered a return of 2.74% per day since it was recognized as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the stock may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $540.97, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.69% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period can range from -0.90% to 16.76%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected 118.84% change expected over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 93.43% to 151.96%. This suggests that the stock price could be in the range of $1,027.89 to $1,338.90 after 1 year. Our latest update on Nvidia's stock price reveals a positive trend. It increased by 1.7% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 9, 2024, the Nvidia stock price rose from $522.53 to $531.40, marking a 1.7% gain. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a 5.1% fluctuation, reaching a low of $516.91 and a high of $543.25. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 8.83%, with gains in 7 out of the last 10 days. The increase in volume, along with the price, is a positive technical sign. A total of 14 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 76 million shares bought and sold, valued at approximately $40.64 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $543.25 and a low of $154.72. Currently, the price is 2.18% or $11.85 below the 52-week high of $543.25, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, we're going to discuss analyst ratings for Nvidia. Let's start with the latest report from Cowen & Company. On Monday, December 11, 2023, they gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. Now, let's move on to the report from BMO Capital on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. They also gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. In another report on the same day, BMO Capital gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo also released a report on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. They gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Lastly, KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action in their report on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They have given a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have assigned a neutral rating to the stock. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Nvidia stock. Let's dive in. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Nvidia. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest buying the stock, giving a positive forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock corrects downwards, it will find support at $496.78 and $484.79. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 16.78%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The increasing volume alongside the rising price is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 46 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Nvidia. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $495.22 and $487.16. When a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support at $495.22 is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $487.16 and $439.38. It's important to note that Nvidia is traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes, which makes the risk considered to be low. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $26.35, 5.1%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.45%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When analyzing the stock, we find that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a trader, you can consider entering a position and utilize volume indicators to help determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $495.22. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Nvidia is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 18, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 20,000 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hudson Dawn E. sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A sold 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A bought 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Stevens Mark A sold 6,872 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -29.935. Overall, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 846,823 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is $504.57, which represents a decrease of 5.05%. This stock demonstrates low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was discovered 22 days ago. Is investing in Nvidia stock a wise decision? Nvidia shows positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our systems have identified the current price as being overvalued. On Wednesday, January 10th, we predict Nvidia to open with a decrease of -88 cents and start trading at $530.52. Before we dive into the content, let's take a moment to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's important to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day.